have a motorbike in Sanur. And the first thing I want to do is check out the golf course, which apparently is just down here. I'm in, like I don't know where I am actually. Bali Beach Golf Course. We're in Bali, we're on the beach, and it's a golf course. I just spoke to a guy, and I said, "Is this 18 holes?" And he said, "No, it's only 9 hole. But you can go twice." And she smashed it, and it's actually under the green. I was all ready to do a running comedy commentary. Not because she's female, just because she might be a crap golfer, like me. Beautiful. Nice done. This looks to be a driving range set up here. That's a good idea, isn't it? Don't you think? You just straight over the 9th, which is the last hole. Perhaps turn it into a driving range at night. What a great idea. And right next door to the 9th, 10th, or 19th. Nice restaurant attached. Have a feed and drink and leave. Terima kasih banyak. Really nice here, huh? Do you know how much for one round of golf? 9 holes?
Maybe.
Oh, 180,000 for 9 holes?
Yeah.
Murah?
Yeah, in here.
Wow, that's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Bali Beach Golf Course, and that's at Sanur. I reckon the man shed's going to be on this road up here. And as you know, I'm incredible with directions. There it is. Bang. Spot on. Man shed. I'm going to ask permission first if I can film, and then we'll go ahead and do it. Hello, can I make a video? Bisa? The Man Shed. There's an Australian owner and a couple of other owners. I don't know if they're both Australian. And it's got vintage cars and vintage bikes. So heavily themed. Have live music here. Stage just there. Bit of a sports bar, cross bar restaurant.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.